Hello friends, welcome to the productivity improvement video tutorials from Simply Tech. As part of the tutorial, we will see how you can change the default Mac screenshot behavior. We'll see how you can change default locations where screenshots are saved to. By default, it is desktop. You can change the file type of screenshot. It defaults to PNG. You can select any others like JPG or GIF, and how you can change the naming conventions of screenshots. The default settings are screenshot suffixed by the current date time, and you can choose any kind of prefix and suffix as you want. Before starting, let's see some basics. So most of you who are using Mac should be aware that there are a couple of shortcuts available to take screenshots on a Mac device. So to take a screenshot of any selected area, you can use Command Shift and 4, whereas to take entire screen, you can use Command Shift and 3. There is also a Mac screenshot application called Grab that is available in Mac OS Mojave and above. It is Command Shift and 5 that gives you ability to save screenshots to a different location and select a screen or do the entire screen. And then there are two others which does not save the screenshot but allow you to copy the screenshot to the clipboard. So now let's see how you can change these settings using terminal. And what we are going to do, we will change some default configuration using the properties that are available in the Mac. I also created notes for these so that they can be used as easy reference. I'll also attach them in the YouTube video also. So first let's see how you can change the default location. Let's see, suppose on desktop you create a folder called screenshots. And suppose you want to write or save your screenshots in this location. You can simply drag this folder here and press enter. Now since this command has not given any error, we can assume that this worked. Let me try taking a screenshot here. I'll capture a screen. And let's open this folder. We can see that our screenshot is saved here in this folder. If without this property you would have taken a screenshot, on by default it gets saved to the desktop. Let's try some other properties. Now we'll see how you can change the type of the screenshot. Let's say now we want JPG. Now the old screenshot, if we say get info, you can see the type is PNG image and it's kind of a little bulky. At times you might want a JPG kind of image. So if I say screen capture type as JPG, enter. Let's take another screenshot. Let's open the folder, and now this has come. Let's see the info. You can now see that it's a JPG image now and lot smaller compared to the PNG, but again it depends on what choice you want to do. But the bottom line is you can change the type of the screenshots. Third is the name. Now by default you see that these screenshots are saved like screenshot suffixed by the date. Suppose in place of screenshot I want something else, say ss. Suppose press enter. Let's take a screenshot again. We'll wait for the screenshot to come here, and we can see now the screenshot is replaced by ss, and you have changed the default naming convention here. Now suppose let's say I don't want this date time to be suffixed, instead I want something like ss1, ss2, etc. So for that you have to use the property called include date, and you have to set it to 0. It's a boolean value. If you set it to 0, there will be no dates saved. So it's not default. Yeah, please make sure that it is defaults. Let's take a screenshot again, and let's see the actual file name. Now you can see the new file name that got created is ss. Its file type should be jpg as we set, and there is no time suffix. Let's try creating one more screenshot, and we'll expect the file name to be ss1 this time. You can see now this is ss1, so on and so forth. You'll get file names like ss2, ss3, etc., and there will be no date time prefixed or suffixed, and this makes it easier to read and share instead of this entire date time. So these were a couple of hacks that you could do to the Mac screen capture utility, and these are really helpful, especially the one which allows you to save your screenshots to any desired location, because at times it becomes really annoying where you need to copy the screenshots from the default location and use them. But yeah, thank you for watching.